Did you know that cats open their mouths after smelling something? It's a curious sight, isn't it? This behavior, often leaving us humans baffled, is a common phenomenon in the feline world. But what exactly is happening when our feline friends do this? Is it just a quirk, or is there more to the story? Well, it's time to unravel this enigma, so brace yourself as we dive into the science behind this feline mystery. Did you know that? Ever noticed your cat making a funny face after sniffing something? They're not just being silly. That grimace-like expression your cat is making after smelling something is actually a sophisticated process of scent analysis. In the feline world, smelling is not just about inhaling through the nose. Cats have a secret weapon in their scent detection arsenal, the Jacobson's organ. Also known as the vomeronasal organ, the Jacobson's organ is a special scent gland located in the roof of a cat's mouth. It's a unique two-tube structure that leads from the roof of the mouth to the nasal cavity. This organ isn't exclusive to cats. Many animals, especially those who rely heavily on their sense of smell, have it too. So how does it work? When your cat catches a whiff of something interesting, they open their mouth slightly and curl back their lips. This allows the scent molecules to travel up to the Jacobson's organ. It's almost as if your cat is tasting the scent. Once the scent reaches the Jacobson's organ, the real magic begins. The organ is lined with sensory cells that send signals to the brain. These signals are then analyzed and interpreted. This process helps cats understand their environment better, from identifying potential threats to finding a mate. It's an extraordinarily efficient system. But why the grimace? Well, that's called the Flehmen Response. It may look like your cat is making a face at you, but they're actually opening up their scent ducts to draw more air into the Jacobson's organ. It's their way of getting a deeper sniff. So, the next time you see your cat making a funny face after sniffing something, know that they're just being a cat, using their sophisticated scent analysis system to better understand their world. It's a testament to the complexity of these creatures we share our homes with. So, it turns out your cat isn't just making funny faces for no reason. Please don't forget to subscribe and like it. This unique behavior in cats even has a name. It's called the Flehmen Response. Now you might be wondering, what on earth is that? Well, it's actually quite fascinating. The Flehmen Response is a behavior observed in many mammals, not just our feline friends. It's a way for animals to investigate and interpret the world around them. Picture this. When an animal encounters a smell that's particularly interesting or important, they'll often pause and make a distinctive face. They'll lift their head, curl back their upper lip, and seemingly taste the air. That's the Flehmen Response in action. But why do they do this? What purpose does it serve? You see, the Flehmen Response helps animals pick up on pheromones and other chemical signals. These signals can tell an animal a whole lot about their environment, from the presence of potential mates to the proximity of danger. In the case of our cats, they use the Flehmen Response to pick up on subtle cues about their surroundings. It's a way for them to gain a deeper understanding of their world. It's like their superpower, enabling them to smell in high definition. So the next time you see your cat making that funny face, you'll know they're just taking a deeper sniff. It's their way of communicating and interpreting the world around them, a world filled with scents and signals we humans can only imagine. Cats are mysterious creatures, aren't they? Today we've delved into the intriguing world of feline senses, shedding light on why cats open their mouths after smelling something. It's not just a bizarre or amusing quirk, it's a part of their intricate sensory system. Remember the Jacobson's organ? That's right, the small pouch in the roof of a cat's mouth that acts as a second nose, helping our furry friends detect pheromones and other chemical messages in the environment. Then we discussed the Flehmen Response, an instinctive behavior where cats open their mouths to draw in more of these scent molecules, enhancing their understanding of the world around them. It all comes together to demonstrate just how complex and fascinating these creatures we share our lives with truly are. If you found this information interesting, please don't forget to subscribe and like it. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the animal kingdom.